Okay.
It's my first time here. The service from the kitchen till the restaurant, the service was excellent. I give you 10 on 10. Meal I take, excellent also. Meat was really very well cooked, very stuffed. Nice and good service. And I want to tell you, continue in the same way you're doing. You have nice stuff. Thank you so much. And I will be back soon.
Yeah, sure, why not? Thank you very much and visit again. You also, sir, and you also, ma'am. Bye and they get them. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye.